It is Saturday, February 23rd. We've got a very thick coating of ice here in downtown Harlan. It's actually been a ghost town all morning. Very, very quiet. You can hear the crunch of the snow. And you can just see right down here, that's just solid ice right there. We'll get some shots. We'll get some shots around Harlan here shortly. You can see in the streets there. Nearly everything's got a thick coating of ice on it. It's kind of hard to see here in the black, but preparing for up to 50-mile-an-hour winds they're touting late today. The blizzard effectively starts at 3 o'clock. Some of the notes that we've seen on the forecast, everything from AccuWeather to the local TV stations, 6 to AccuWeather touting up to 18 inches possible in some areas. We'll see how this all hammers out as the day goes on. We're in front of the post office right now, and this car sat out overnight. This might give you a better indication of the ice coating. You can, I'll just give you a little. Can't even get to the off. So it's a thick coating, and this wind will probably play havoc on the electrical systems, not particularly in Harlan, but coming into Harlan might be the bigger issue. The NIPCO lines from the Dakotas pulling down our area. We'll show you some of these ice dams here in a little bit, but around town, here's a good example on the Jacobs Corp office in downtown Harlan. And the crunching you're hearing is the snow and ice, but we're seeing this all over town. We had the melting, the freezing and the melting this week, so it's pretty significant. We were discussing the ice dams, and we're at 12th and Willow near Pioneer Park and Potter Park apartment complex. You can just see how heavy these jams are, or dams as they call them. Seeing some traffic. The streets are getting torn up a little bit. The city of Harlan is out already icing or salting down the properties, intersections and whatnot. What an early morning brave traveler. It's about 8 a.m. on Saturday morning. There's a pretty significant one here. It's about 30 degrees out right now, so we're seeing a little bit of thawing. My fingers can't get the camera to come down. But we'll start to see the streets break up here in a little bit, I think. The weather is supposed to hit approximately noon today. We're at 10th and Willow. Just showing you some of the older homes with the ice dams. I'm going to try not to fall here, but you can. That's me sliding down a driveway. We're back downtown now, and remains pretty quiet. But one of the things I'd really like to show you, if you haven't been to downtown Harlan lately, the downtown area did an extensive renovations, and probably one of the stars has been Guzman's West Side. It is a beautiful rendition of what it was like in the late 1800s. The painting and brand new windows and transoms. At night, it absolutely looks wonderful. A place you want to stop and visit and just admire the new look and architecture. We'll see how things go later today, but as I mentioned, about noon, it's supposed to start getting some snow and some more freezing rain, and then transfer into heavy snow. They said 1 to 2 inches an hour, and you'll catch the news reports that I'll have on the website here shortly.